Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Canva for presentation on phone. First, download the free Canva app from your phone's app store. Once installed, open it and either log into your existing account or create a new one. You'll find a large plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap this to begin a new project. From the many design options, select Presentation to start building your slides. Canva offers thousands of professional templates to kickstart your design. Browse through them and pick one that suits your topic. Once selected, you can easily customize every element. Tap on text boxes to edit content, change fonts, and adjust colors. You can also add images, videos, and various graphics from Canva's extensive library, or upload your own. To make your presentation more engaging, explore the Elements tab for a vast collection of shapes, lines, and icons. You can also add dynamic flair by applying animations to individual elements and smooth transitions between your slides. Easily manage your presentation's flow by dragging and dropping slides to rearrange their order. Remember to use the Notes feature for your speaking points. Once your presentation is complete, tap the play icon to preview it and ensure everything looks perfect. You can present directly from your phone or cast it to a larger screen for a wider audience. To share your work, generate a view-only link or download the file. Canva allows you to export your presentation as a PDF document or even an MP4 video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.